Welcome friends to this video. Today I will show you how to fix RedotPay identity verification reject. So guys, before make this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. So guys, the first reason is identity verification is unsuccess or rejected. This is the first reason, guys. You can see here. You make sure, guys, unsupported document types. You should be submit document according to application instruction. And then make sure you have photo of a document. Only original document accepted, guys. Make sure upload your photo or ID with high quality, and make sure the document is not expired and it should be valid almost, let's say, 3 months, and duplicate your verification. So guys, this is how you can fix to this verification rejected. Make sure upload high quality document, guys, on your RedotPay account to avoid this problem. If you this not work, just you contact support team, guys, from here, from section of support, and go back here and write this guys message from here. Write you should be verification process, and write your why my identity verification failed, and complete the steps. Just write message to support team, guys, to solve this problem. Click send a message and click verification, this one, and then complete the steps. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this